is for avocado. 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 B is for bow. 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 C is for cake. Cake. D is for dinosaur. 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 E is for eyes. Eyes. F is for fan. Fan. G is for gift. 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 H is for hat. 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 I is for Ivy. Ivy. J is for jelly. Jelly. K is for kitten. Kitten. L is for lobster. Lobster. M is for mobile phone. Mobile phone. N is for nail. Nail. O is for outfit. P is for prize. Prize. Q is for quarter. Quarter. R is for ram. Ram. S is for sad. Sad. T is for teacher. Teacher. U is for underline. Underline. V is for vacations. Vacations. W is for waiting room. Waiting room. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for young. Young. Z is for zookeeper. Zookeeper.